really excited for when it's already finished.
Here in this space.
When you see programs like this, you see opportunity, you see choices, you see a way that says, I want to come to school. And that's why we really wanted to be in New Haven, to really look at the programs and deeply see career tech ed in all of its wondrous ways working and being so connected and special for kids. Tell us why you like journalism.
I couldn't be prouder than this program. I believe in it so much that my son went through the career technical system as well. And what it does is provides opportunity is probably the biggest thing. These students come out with a skill set that they can decide to go directly into the workplace or to go on to higher education.
We're trying to get them ready for the restaurant.
Learning is not just sitting in front of, you think about the last 3 years they spent in front of the computer. Learning is actually doing hands-on activities. It's actually getting in, feeling things, tapping into different senses.
Wow. You could do something to hold it up.
You see young people in this space in their uniforms, that they're wearing them proudly. They're experimenting to think about what paths could they be on and could they explore, and that honors their identity as adolescents as they're trying to decide next steps for their future.
And thank you for teaching me. Because you guys see,
So we're setting these students up that on the day of their graduation, not only do they graduate with a high school diploma, but they're going to be licensed as an EMT within the state of Connecticut, and they can go right to work.
Watch the chest rise.
Why experiential learning is important, it allows students the chance to build background knowledge, but to also see how their outside life might tie into the academics.
And what do you like that character? These are real solutions to kids. So as others try to smear what Leslie and our colleagues in New Haven are doing, they're doing the righteous work, the hard work of helping kids see that the future is theirs, and of helping kids connect their passions to power, to purpose, and to thrive.